I mean, this is a kid's room, but oh my god, these old HGTV shows from the 90s are madness. Some of this stuff is awful. I would sue. I think it happened as well. Alright, let's watch some. Let's go. Oh god. Okay, improvement so far.
For rag rolling, it's best ranch.
No.
Outdoors. 8 multicolored bandanas, $1 each, were $9.
That's terrible.
We pushed
I've genuinely not seen worse
It just gets better and better when it dries. It looks
on like DIYers' first YouTube videos.
I think about my kids and I think about more storage for dirty clothes and stuff.
Stuff. Well, the scriptwriters really got bored there. More storage for dirty clothes and stuff.
Paint is the ultimate transformer in any room, and it's
Okay.
the cheapest. Take a look at the colors we'll be working with in this room. Turquoise, sun yellow, pink, periwinkle blue, green, and coral. Now we're ready for striping.
That's so green. What is this for? Is this for nursery children doing their laundry?
The foam core silhouette created. It definitely is whimsical
Who is
and
this for?
fun. Well, we only have
Oh,
one
a painted
unpainted
rug.
surface left in this room, and our piece de resistance is this, a custom painted floral area rug.
Okay. In all fairness, I have gone on before about how rugs are important. Because they bring in texture and fabric. This room is an assault on the senses. In a trippy way, I love that rug. But oh my god, to have to go down to this room regularly, I think I would lose my mind.
Area with a darker brown.
Alright, so what are we up to
Using
now?
sort of a dry brush technique,
okay.
with just a little bit of paint on your brush. Add as much brown as you like to create the depth of color you want for your log cabin look.
A log
Let the
cabin
brown
look.
set up for a moment, then follow with a damp cloth any of the
Okay,
excess.
more.
And then every few boards, you might want to step back and take a look. And there you go. I'll bet you never thought you could build your own log cabin out of paintbrushes and a couple fancy rollers.
I never did bet that. Okay, incredible. We have a reaction video here. As in a reaction from the owners. I couldn't disagree more. Okay. Oh my god.
Open your eyes and see your new family home.
Wow.
She's horrified. And understandably. Oh.
I really like the wainscoting. You do?
Oh, she's
I
being
really
nice.
do.
It's different.
And the furniture needed slipcovers. Yeah, that's denim.
Okay. Oh god, this
The
is
big
awkward.
question is, what do you think about the fireplace?
This is awkward.
You guys are going to be fixing that in a little
Oh, you guys are going to be fixing that. Ooh.
Boy, she's not happy. She's really not happy.
That is...
Is there anything that you can see in the room to fix certain elements of it to make it better?
Oh god,
for
she's
the
crying
evening?
off camera. This is horrible.
I don't even know where to start.
This is
I mean, I see
horrible.
one piece of
Oh.
furniture that
I'm so
goes wrong.
sorry.
Well, let's go comfort Pam, shall we?
Okay.
Oh, you guys are here! Yeah, it looks really good. And your room is everything is reversible.
It's not orthogonal. That's one thing.
That's right. Yeah, well,
Yeah.
we were afraid of that.
So why didn't you say anything?
They did.
They protected your fireplace. It's under
We totally did. Nothing is touching it whatsoever.
Do you like yours?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Paige Davis, and that's
Wow,
another episode
that's-
of Trading Spaces. See you
That
next
was
time.
intense. That was intense. That was intense. Oh god. My blood pressure's gone up. I think the premise of the show is that they are friends who swap styles. Yeah.
That's the first thing you noticed was the ceiling. Yeah. Wow. It's
Yeah,
not
that
a
is
kid
pink.
room.
I don't hate everything. So what's going on with the walls? Oh my god.
I didn't know for sure what it was. It's straw.
Oh my
Just
god, they
straw.
just stuck straw to
It's a
the
form.
walls. Oh my god. Okay, so I think that they did the swap in styles, and one of them got a great deal, clearly, and the other has straw.
My whole thing is like, can I do it?
Yes.
This is what's gonna happen. She just was
She's
like,
not happy, I understand. Oh my god, she's eating it. What? My god.
And to protect it, we painted polyurethane over the dried paint. Doggies beware, this rug isn't going anywhere.
Insane. They must be rage bait.
Ba-da-ba-boo-dap-shoo-wop-shoo-wop. Yeah. Ba-da-da-ba-bop. Do-wee-wah. Shoo-be-doo-bop. Ba-da-la-la.